Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this promotion that Amazon is currently having, and it is only on the specific color that is Starlight. As you know, the regular price for this iPad Mini 6 is $399, or actually the original price is $499, but currently you for $399 is promotional. But also if you get the Starlight color, it's going to be $69.01 coupon off. So that's going to bring the total down to like about maybe $330, $331, which is an awesome. This is a really nice iPad. As you can see right here, it's the 6th generations with an Ionic A15. Okay, and this is small enough, one of the smallest one, 8.3 inch, liquid retina, and it is just a basic 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi, 12 megapixel front and back Touch ID, and the battery will last you all day long. Okay, as you can see, this is for like casual user, or like you just want to use it for surf the web or just a YouTube. You know, this would be perfect. It's small, it's light. You can take it anywhere you like. You know what I mean? And here's more specifications. I do. So if they do have like a cellular version as well too, but you see that the price is $549, and any other color you click on it, it's still at the regular price. So if you don't mind about the color and you more about the money wise, then the Starlight would be the one that you would go with, because $69, that's $70 off. And depending on if whichever credit cards you might have, sometimes Amazon might pair it up with Discover or American Express, where they give you additional 10%, 5%, who knows what, but you might want to check with them. But other than that, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.